Over the past 5 years, we've installed more than 330 HSM vertical balers at 160 collection points. We use the HSM V-Press 860 Max for compressing plastic films, the V-Press 1160 Max for cardboard packaging, and the V-Press 860S for plant pots and plant trays. Last year, we produced over 12,000 tons of cardboard bales and over 3,000 tons of plastic film bales. The paper mills are very impressed by the quality of our cardboard bales, as are the recyclers of plastic film bales, since we deliver consistent quality week after week. With this concept, we can now generate revenues that also grow with increasing volumes. Previously, our markets and logistics centres had several roll-off press containers, and waste was either not separated at all or was done so at a very rudimentary level. Many individual fractions were mixed into a residual fraction, making the costs relatively high.
Und somit waren die Kosten relativ hoch.
We were looking for compaction machines that need very little space, since space in our markets is very valuable. And this is how we ended up with the vertical baling presses.
The
goal was to make work easier for employees and to speed up material changeover. A third goal, which was a very positive side effect, was the marketability of the recyclable materials. The core requirements were longevity, quality, pressing force, space requirements, and, very important, maintenance and fast provision of services. Given the small amount of space in the incoming goods areas, it would be a big problem for us if we had to wait a week or 14 days. The HSM presses left a very good impression. After the tender, they showed the best price-performance ratio and the best quality. Ultimately, the overall HSM package was the best choice. The vertical baling presses from HSM are very easy to use. They need very little space, have a very high pressing force, and have hardly had any malfunctions in recent years. For 3 years now, we've had our own recycling fleet of so-called Wurststoffliner for the weekly pickups. HORNBACH Wurststoffliner can be easily recognized on our trucks, which has had a positive effect on our brand, and also shows that HORNBACH is actively involved in the marketing and recycling of reusable materials. As a trading company, profitability plays a major role. The return on investment differs greatly depending on the location, but it's usually less than 4 years. Looking back over the last 7 years, we can say that opting for vertical baling presses and HSM and becoming a pioneer in our industry with our concept was absolutely the right decision. We will continue to develop this concept.